want to tell you that if you are in an evacuation zone, you please need to heed that warning. Could you be okay? Yes. If you stay, I pray to God that you are okay. But there's a big chance that you will not be. And I'm going to take a statement that one of my fellow sheriffs said to his citizens when Helene was knocking on their door. If you choose to stay, find yourself a permanent marker, write your name, your date of birth, and your next of kin on your arm so we know who you are and who to contact. This is no joke. Your first responders are out there right now. They're going to be out there right up through the storm. But if conditions get too dangerous, they're coming off. We are not going to put our first responders' lives in jeopardy because you made a poor choice. But we will be there immediately following when things are safe, and we will do everything in our power to save lives and get people to safety. I wanted to address everybody, all our citizens in the state of Florida who are in the affected area. This system that we're facing here is no joke. It has slowed down a little bit more, so we have a little bit more time to prepare. But this storm is unprecedented, and it is affecting millions of people. The surge that we are facing up the coast of the state of Florida, again, is going to be unprecedented. Resources are spread thin already from Helene. Federal resources are spread thin. State resources are spread thin. So when this storm hits and passes, the resources that we saw back when Ian came through Charlotte County and Lee County, they're going to be stretched thin. We're not going to see as many coming through. So each agency, for the most part, is going to be on their own for a while. Thank you, everybody, and always remember, be strong, be safe, and never quit. And God bless all of you.
Large tornado in progress, west-northwest of the Miccosukee Surface Plaza off I-74. Large tornado in progress.